Man, look at my J's, man. I got my flights. Look, they all beat up. Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah, bro, I got a fucking hole in my shit, man. Let's check the other one. This one, bro. Look, I got the inside, bro. Man, I don't even know if I should wash them and take them with me. What I'm doing right now, bro, I got my J's in the wash. I'm washing my J's in the washing machine, bro. Why, bro? I got my J's, bro. Look, I got my J's in the wash. I'm washing my shoes, man. Wow. That's why I'm washing my shoes. I need to buy some new shoes, man. I don't even like flights. I just like Jordan shoes. I need to buy some Retros or some. I'm gonna insert a picture right now and show you what kind of shoes I want. I want those shoes. I'll show you. Insert picture now. Hurry up! But what the? Bro, look at my shoes. This are white. Yeah, that's wow. They were dirty. I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna let them soak in the Clorox. I'm gonna let my shoes soak in the Clorox. What did you have, Diwali? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, Diwali. Yeah, got the banana, got the fruits, got the orange on four. Want some Jello too? This one got a fly in it. زي شو زعت المعلم. هاي دوالي. هذا اسمه بقدونس. انت بقدونس. جوافة. Bro, I'm not even trying to go back to Chicago. Cause look, in Jordan, you got the sun, bro. You got the heat. You know what I'm saying? It's hot as fuck out here, B. Got Osama in the cut. Bro, before I catch this flight, I gotta go to the stash. I'm testing it out right now. I'm just testing that bitch. Cause I know that bitch gotta go. Cause fuck the stash on phone on. What do you think? I know I fucked up my eyebrows on purpose, G. But the stash gotta go. What you think? Comment, keep it, comment, don't. Comment, shave that bitch off. Or some shit like that, you know? Cause look, it's hot as fuck in this desert, man. I'm going back in the snow. Watch, you're gonna see big old coat and shit. I'm so fresh like peace. Well, this is the next day. Okay, this is the next day. It's December 5. Chilling with Osama. You know what I'm saying? I got my laundry on the rooftop. No, I did my laundry. Now my shoes are just waiting. Since yesterday, my shoes are still on the roof. No, but I'm leaving. I'm مسافر, bro. I'm leaving. I'm flying out, bro. And if you're gonna ask me what am I doing right now, my jacket got a hole in it and it got a lot of fur. You know what I'm saying? Got the Montclair fur. And that's what I'm doing. I'm taking it out and I'm tossing it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this fur, man. It's crazy. Oh, summer can eat. Yeah, we just chill. بكرة إن شاء الله. يا بكرة إن شاء الله مان. بكرة نشوفك. إيه حبيبي. مع مين؟ هذا بس فيديو نزله يوتيوب. يوتيوب. والله حطوا سامة هذه سامة كمان. إيه. أنا وسامة هون. والله مع أميركا معك. Yeah man. وبدي أسافر. Yeah we're going. عندي 3 ديارات man. Yeah man. That's my uncle. No, that's my neighbor, man. That's my neighbor. You already know, man. I'm 4-0. Someone can. I'm turning this video off and I'll record something else. I have to see you every day before I leave, bro. You're my uncle. If you guys didn't know, Osama is my uncle. Or not my uncle. He's my dad's cousin, which is my uncle. Right? I have to see you every day, bro. لازم نشوفك كل يوم معلم. لازم نشوفكيش كل يوم. أنا شوف الفيلم مني. Look, I spray painted your wall. Look, I spray painted your wall عشان تتذكرني. You gonna miss me? لا. He said لا. Oh, look, I'm about to name him on your wall, man. You gonna miss me? I'll miss you. والسفيراتو؟
دقيقة 5
هذولي
مزع
عندي شيء هون. أنا مش عارف بجد
بدي ممزوع لوش لابسه؟
Yeah, I just ripped it. It's there. كبه؟ But I just ripped my jacket because it's fucking.
خلينا نفتح الطريق.
لا. ها؟
نفتح الطريق.
شوف قمزة. Someone ripping the jacket.
لا كمان شوي أنا كمان. أصلش. أيوة خليكي.
خليني هيك.
يلا اسكت.
بدك احرقه.
خلص اشلح.
في عندي شيء هون.
لا روح جيب صحفة. في مكان والله كيف.
انا بدي احرقه.
اشتري واحدة. هسه روحوا غاد ولا؟
لا عليه.
شو؟ دور فيه فراطة كل دقيقة.
في فراطة هون؟ فيش فراطة.
لا
لا احرقه تعال. بدي اصور فيديو. I'm gonna record me burning my jacket.
هات قدام. هات قدام ثاني. مش واحد تعال. هات قدام قدام.
خليك ماسكه. بدي احرقه.
طبعت.
I'm gonna burn my jacket.
ولا هون عندك ولا؟ في هواء تعال نقول.
في هواء. there's a lot of هواء.
صور هيك ملعب.
بدي اياك انت امسك شوي. امسك شوي بعدين بنزلتها.
دائما ولا هون ولا. غطى علي غطى.
ايه. burn this place. طيب نزل كبه على الارض. كبه
ولا يا جو ولا عدو. لا
it's too much هوا. it's too much wind.
خذ حط ورقة جوا ولا هات شيء طول حد اصورك فيه. شيل رجلك. هات رجلك هات ثانية.
هاي قدها. في هوا هي امسك.
سوق لك ولا حد.
too much wind. لقناها من جوا من جوبها. too much fucking wind, man. Trying to burn this.
ورقة شوف الورقة. هات ورقة.
I'll be back. جيب ورقة.
صور.
I got it. This jacket's on fire, nigga. Dang. I burned this jacket. It was fucking me up, man. All this.
روح النصيف راح.
Goodbye.
روح البس واحد ثاني.
It was like fucking plastic, nigga. Thank you.
روح البس واحد ثاني.
Jacket's so steaming, boy. So I know my mixtape fire, B. You know what I'm saying? I burned this fucking jacket. I got it, I'm burning it. Burn this jacket. I don't even like it, bro. I liked it because it looked cool, but now it's on fire, nigga. That shit's cooked. That shit cooked, nigga. Let's record something else, man. So I burned my jacket because it's broken. So, well, let's do something else. What you want to do today?
Okay.
Wanna go inside? Let's go for a ride. Bring my jacket. Yeah, that's all.
وديها لاختك وديها من هيك.
I was going on YouTube.
وديها.
YouTube, G Ice World. Subscribe to G Ice World on YouTube. That's what we do
والله
daily.
بس واحد ثاني. عندك واحد ثاني؟
عندي واحدة ثانية بس مش هسه الدنيا شوب. It's hot outside, bro. Bro, it's so hot, bro. Look.
ما تصور طبعا؟
Dude, what are you doing? Why you take my
شنت انا بعدك؟
Why you take my phone?
مو مطافي.
Why you take my phone? Bro, ايديك مليانة زيت. بعرف بكره معلم. All I know is I got some sunglasses too. And when I'm in New York, I'm gonna put them on.
ضلك ندير
I'm be like, oh, I'm too famous. I'm too famous. Start hiding, bro.
طيار وصلنا.
Yeah, in the airport, man.
صور طيار تطلع فيها.
Yeah, I'll record the airport. Definitely gotta record the DR, man.
بس تطلع بالطيار صور حالك.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna record the airplane and everything.
وديها الأمان.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna record it. I'm definitely gonna record it, man. You think I'm gonna record it?
حالك توديها.
Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna miss this weather. It's gonna be, it's hot. Watch, it's hot in Jordan. But as soon as I go to Chicago, motherfucker, it's gonna be it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be snow everywhere and shit. Look, it's gonna be snow everywhere, man. It's gonna be cold. I can't even wear a t-shirt in public. Hell yeah, man. I think this is gonna be the end of the video because I don't even know what I recorded. Yeah, this is definitely the end. Because this is the second day, bro. It's the second day from the washing my shoes and stuff. I don't even know the title. Oh yeah, I know the title. I burned my jacket. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a blessed day, G.